Welcome back to MATLAB. Today we are going to see how we can convert unlike fractions into like fractions by finding the least common denominator. This involves using the smallest common denominator we can find. To find the least common denominator of two fractions, we need to find out the smallest common multiple of the two bottom numbers. Furthermore, this common denominator helps us to add and subtract fractions more easy. Let's take for first example 3 over 48 and 7 over 72 and 5 over 56 and 1 over 45. To bring two or more fractions to the same denominator, we will proceed as follows. First method, we decompose denominators, for each fractions into prime factors. In this way, we can calculate the smallest common denominator. We have first number, 48. Let's see what prime numbers have when we are trying to decompose him. 48 divided by 2 equals 24. 24 divided by 2 equals 12. 12 divided by 2 equals 6. 6 divided by 2 equals 3. 3 divided by 3 equals 1. So I have my first series of prime numbers for my first denominator. Let's take the second number, 72. We proceed the same. 72 divided by 2, 36 divided by 2 equals 18. 18 divided by 2 equals 9. 9 divided by 3 equals 3. 3, 1. Next number, 56 divided by 2 equals 28. Divided by 2 again equals 14. 14 divided by 2 in the first step. Let's take 2. Equals 7, and 7 divided by 7 equals 1, and also the last number, 45 divided by 5 equals 9, divided by 3 equals 3, divided by 3 equals 1. So I have obtained our initial denominators as a multiplication of prime factors, and I have 48 equals with 2 to the power of 4 multiplied with 3, because in here I have 4 of 2. 72 equals with 2 to the power of 3 multiplied with 3 to the power of 2. 56 equals with 2 to the power of 3 multiplied with 7. 45 equals with 3 to the power of 2 multiplied with 5. In this way, to determine the lowest common multiple of denominators, we will take all bases to the highest power. So I have in here 2 to the power of 4 multiplied with 3 to the power of 2 multiplied with 5 multiplied with 7 to the power of 1, of course. And results from here that 16 multiplied with 9 multiplied with 5 multiplied with 7 results that our smallest common denominator is 5140. Yes, this is my smallest common denominator. So now we have the second step. I return to my initial fractions. To bring the above fractions to the same denominator, we must amplify them so that in the denominator we get the value of my smallest common denominator. So, in order to find out to which number I have to amplify my initial fractions, we are going to divide 5140 to 48 equals to 105. Also, I'm going to divide 5140 to the 72 equals with 17. I'm going to divide 5140 by 56 equals with 19. Then I'm going to divide 5140 to my last denominator 45 equals with 112. In this way, yes, results that I can amplify my initial fractions with these numbers. Let's see. 3 to the power of 48, I'm going to amplify with 105. 7 to the power of 72, I will going to amplify with 70. 5 to the power of 56, I'm going to amplify with 90. 1 over 45, I'm going to amplify with 112, yes? In here, results that my new fractions 105 multiplied with 3 over 105 multiplied with 48, yes? 70 multiplied with 7 over 70 multiplied with 72, 90 multiplied with 5 over 90 multiplied with 56, and the last one, 112 multiplied with 1 over 112 multiplied with 45. So now I have my last fractions with my common denominator 315 over 5140 results that 490 over 5140 results that 450 over 5140 and 112 over 5140. In this way, I have my initial fractions with the same common denominator. Let's take another example in order to understand better. 4 over 15 and 7 over 20. We are going to decompose each denominator into prime factors. So we have 15 equals with 3 multiplied with 5. 20 equals with 4 multiplied with 5. But 4, we are going to write him as 2 to the power of 2 multiplied with 5. And results that the least common denominator is 50, 20. For 50 and 20 is 2 to the power of 2 multiplied with 3 multiplied with 5 equals 60. Yes, my common denominator results that I'm going to amplify 4 over 15 to 60 divided by 50 equals 4. And the second one, I'm going to amplify with 60 divided by 20 equals 3. So results, my fractions, 15 over 16 and 21 over 60. My initial fractions, yes, with the same common denominator. That's it for today. If you understood this method of finding the smallest common denominator, hit the subscribe button. Thank you.